Our facility is organized to mimic exactly what you're going to see in a new collision repair shop. The vehicle typically enters the shop here in the pre-wash area, and then we'll take it over to disassembly, where we'll disassemble the vehicle to look for additional damage. What will happen is the customer's vehicle comes into a stall, it's taken apart and dismantled. After it's dismantled, we'll actually write an estimate based on what the vehicle needs. Students here at Metropolitan Community College will be able to utilize the tools that you see behind me without purchasing tools in our program. This area of the shop is designated for structural repairs. We've got all chief equipment set up here, as well as the laser lock frame measuring system. And on this side of the shop, we've got the car liner bench rack 5500. Again, both pieces of equipment are set up to mimic exactly what you're going to do in a collision repair facility. We've redesigned the traditional classroom here at MCC to where we can actually pull a vehicle in, work on it with our students, and then pull it out after a class. The desks roll, so we're able to slide those over to the side. All the tooling for that specific class is available here in this classroom. And once class is finished up, the desks get moved together and the vehicle exits the facility. This side of the shop is really designated for the body repair on a vehicle. We've got a wall separating the facility from the paint to the body side for cross-contamination. But really the area that you see around me is designated for disassembly and reassembly of the vehicle. We've got an aluminum bay set up just to do those aluminum repairs as if you were doing them at a shop. Those areas need to be designated just for aluminum repair and they can't cross-contaminate with steel. This lab classroom is set up for advanced substrate repairs. As you see, we've got the latest nitrogen welders available for plastic repair and dustless sanding capabilities inside the entire facility. Welcome to the paint shop. This side of the facility is set up just for the refinish process of a vehicle. We've got areas where we're going to be prepping vehicles for paint, as well as 6 different spray stations. We've got 3 prep stations and 3 of the most modern paint booths you can get, all GFS products. 2 of them are conventional spray booths that also bake, and the 3rd one is a shortwave infrared drying system called the Revo. This type of technology is something that you have to utilize on a lot of electric and hybrid vehicles. Other really cool products that we're utilizing here are water and solvent-borne paint in the painting process, and we'll have a mixing bank for both of those. We're excited to bring in our new students here for the first week of September in the new Automotive Training Center. Thanks for taking a tour of the Automotive Collision Department here at Metropolitan Community College.